Hey guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this video, we are going to learn how to make YouTube banner with Canva. So Canva provides many templates for you to make, so you don't need to make from scratch. But in this video, we are going to make from scratch. Search for YouTube banner and click on it. And you can see from here that there are so many hundreds of templates that you can click on and customize it according to your own needs. But I prefer making things from scratch, so we are just going to make one from scratch. Okay, so or you can see the element, or you can see the templates for having an idea. If you have no idea what to create, you can check the templates out just for reference. So I already have uploaded some images. I'm just gonna select them and start making it. So my idea is making a YouTube banner for a food channel. So I have downloaded some pictures of food. So I'm going to select it one by one. So first we will place it here. Okay. All right, I'm just going to position it. And then we will add this one. I'm just making this for sample. You don't need to follow me along. I'm just trying to show how you can make YouTube banner. All right, it's looking good. Now we will add a cute dog here. All right, looks good, isn't it? So click on element and search for a subscribe button. All right, you can choose it according to yourself. I'm just gonna select one. All right, this looks somewhat good. It's pretty big. We need to position it and maybe make it small. All right, so I'm just gonna place it here and write some text on it. Add a text box, or just I will just add a heading and then write whatever you want. I'm just gonna write new videos every week. Okay. I'm gonna change the font from here. Click on this tab. Okay, it's looking nice. So if you want to change the color of the text, you can go from here and select any text you want. It will also recommend you text according to your photo colors. I'm just gonna select white, or maybe what color should I select? Wait a minute. I'm just gonna select white, okay? And maybe give a border to it. So if you want to give border to your text, you have to just simply click on effects and then go on hollow. And it's looking kind of nice, but I can do it better. So after clicking on hollow, you can, okay, so click on splice and choose the color you want. Okay, it's looking nice. So I'm just gonna leave it as it is and just make it a bit large and add some elements here. I will add a arrow here. Okay, I'm gonna search for arrow. Okay, this is looking cool. We are just going to flip it horizontally. We will try to position it to point it towards the subscribe button. Alright, we've got to make it small, or maybe just point it towards the puppy. Okay, it's looking nice. So there you go, we have successfully created an awesome looking YouTube banner. So that's it for today, guys. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and also click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. See you soon, have a good day.